Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a gas lighter, and this is the product that we're going to review, which is Ritu electronic gas lighter, and we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. So the product comes packaged in this cardboard and plastic container here, packaging right here, and it's a see-through packaging through which you can actually see the product itself. Right here is the branding, which is Ritu Ritu electronic gas lighter written here, and ISO mark is given right on top. It is a 100% waterproof lighter, and it has silver shining, made of stainless steel. SS silver shining, which is stainless steel. It's made from stainless steel. Then this is the only lighter available in the market with 2 years warranty. They provide 2 years warranty on their lighters. So that is the salient feature here. Moving on to the back of the pack, again we have Super Ritu written here, electronic gas lighter. Here are the features given. So it has 2 years warranty, the only gas lighter in India with 2 years warranty. 100% waterproof as shown in the picture. So in the picture they have shown the lighter completely submerged in a bowl of water. Extra long stainless steel body, silver shining. First time in India on SS body it has a silver shining. High power piezo elements used. 100% pure virgin plastic material used wherever there is plastic used. Warranty condition: Ritu Gas Lighter carries warranty for the period of 2 years from the date of purchase against any manufacturing defect arising during the period of warranty. In case of defect during the warranty period, please bring the gas lighter with this warranty card the dealer from where the lighter is purchased. Please do not tamper with the gas lighter for servicing as serviceable parts inside the gas lighter. Warranty does not cover the gas lighter which is burned or melted during normal course. The warranty does not cover defects due to mishandling or damages caused. The warranty does not cover normal wear and tear of plastic material, metal head or any other components spoiled during usage. Important instructions. So for the better life of a gas lighter, here are some important instructions given here, which is very good. I haven't seen this on any other gas lighters though. Periodically before use, clean the inside nozzle of your gas lighter with a soft cotton cloth. After using, hang the lighter on the holder provided with it, so that it doesn't be on the floor or somewhere on your kitchen floor. Now coming to the price of this, the MRP of the Ritu electronic gas lighter is rupees 158. So guys, this product is available on Amazon. You can buy it from there. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox it. So very simple unboxing. We just need to take this card out, and here is the first thing that comes out of the box or the packaging is the lighter holder, which you can fix to the wall. So it goes in like this on the wall. You can fix it on the wall like this. You can see this, and with a screw can be fixed on the wall, and the lighter can hang in it. So the lighter hangs in it like this, and we'll fix it to the wall. So guys, this is the Ritu gas lighter here, completely stainless steel body here with a silver shining finish to it. And on the gas lighter also we have the Ritu branding right here. I don't know if it's visible on camera right now, but it is here. Made in India is written, the sticker with Ritu here, Ritu branding right on top as well. Stainless steel body written here. Again here stainless steel has been written, and Ritu branding here as well. Now coming to the nozzle, you can see here this is the gas nozzle, which has a proper spark. I don't know if it's visible to you, you can actually see the spark there. And then there's some coating inside. I guess that's a waterproof coating that they have, which makes the lighter 100% waterproof. So that's that. There's a coating inside. So a wonderful lighter, very quick, very easy to use, very nice here. And you can see the quick action and very nice product here from Ritu. So I really like the overall build quality of it. It looks pretty nice, pretty decent. And with 2 years warranty, you do not get 2 years warranty on any lighters in India. The max warranty from the best of brands available in the market you get is 1 year. But Super Ritu brand is giving you a 2 years warranty on this lighter. So guys, a very affordable lighter, rupees 158 for this. It's available even cheaper on Amazon, so you can buy it from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can buy it from there. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.